Dear students, here is the video for today's online class. Yesterday we completed exercise 4.5, all the simplification. Now we will move forward to word problems based on addition and subtraction of fractions. So here exercise 4.6, all these questions I will only explain, and before that the example, if you see example 24, this example is little bit different from rest of the questions which we are going to do in exercise 4.6. Pay attention to this very carefully. Anshu ate 1/3 of a cake. A cake refers to one cake was there. Of that one cake, Anshu ate this much, while her brother ate 2/5 of the cake. Of the cake here refers to that same cake, means one cake only was there. Out of this one cake, 1/3 part was eaten by Anshu and 2/5 part was eaten by her brother. Don't consider that 2/5 is of some different cake. This is of the same cake of which Anshu ate. How much cake did they eat together? How much cake is left? It is asked here, how much cake did they eat together and how much is left. Now you see, for eating together is very simple. 1/3 plus 2/5. No doubt we can solve that. This is the total amount of cake they ate. Now it is asking how much cake is still left. This particular point is very important to note down, because here is not written what was the total cake जिसमें से इतना खा लिया और कितना बचा. Okay, so for such type of question, keep in mind a refers to one cake. What we will consider here is there is one cake. Got it? Now of this one cake we will solve that. Anshu, she ate 1/3 and her brother, he ate 2/5. Then their total it is asked, that is 1/3 plus 2/5. Taking the LCM and solving, you can see from here only. 1/3 plus 2/5, LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. So you will get here 11/15. This 11/15 is the cake eaten by both of them. Okay, this 11/15 is the cake which is eaten by both of them. Now it is asked here how much cake is left. For such left cake, what we will do? 1 minus 11/15. This is the important point. Why are we doing 1 minus 11/15? Because total quantity of cake was one complete cake. Now when we have one number towards one side, so we keep denominator also 1. Then 1/1 equal to LCM 15 into 15 into 15. It will be 15 only, and here 11/15 equal 15 into 1 into 1. You will get here 11. Then 15 minus 11/15, that is 4/15. This is the quantity of cake left. Got it clear? Like this we will solve. When the total quantity is not given, we will keep the total quantity 1. This was your example number 24. Kindly go through this example properly. Now 4.6, all the questions I will only explain. Solutions is to be done by you on your own. Ramesh ordered this much kg of wood. Total wood was this much used for making furniture. इतना मंगवाया था and out of this much he used for making furniture. What is the wood left with him? Very simple. 11 whole 11/12 minus 8 whole 5/12. You do the subtraction and it is the like fraction. No need to find LCM and all. Directly we will get the answer. Honey baked a cake. She used itna cup of flour and this much cup of sugar. Making one cake, this much flour and this much sugar was used. How much more flour than sugar Honey used? It is asking that the quantity of flour was 4 whole 5/8 and the quantity of sugar was this much. It is asked here what is the difference between flour and sugar. Now it is written how much flour is more. Then when it is asked for something more, that is we need to find the difference. Pulkit lived this much kilometer away from school and Raghav lived this much kilometer away. How much far Pulkit and Raghav? Simple difference between Pulkit and Raghav's house, that is 93 upon 10 minus 6 whole 1 upon 10. Last question is, Bunty walked this much kilometer. He took a bus and travelled this much kilometer. This much kilometer he walked and went, and this much kilometer he travelled using bus. After that he took a taxi and travelled. What is the total distance? So travelled by walking plus travelled by bus plus travelled by taxi, that is 1 whole 5 upon 8 plus 3 whole 1 upon 6 plus 11 upon 4. All the 4 questions are explained. We need to only solve, so solutions you have to do on your own, and any doubt still if you have, you can ask in the comment section.